Hunter?
Oh, we're going up to my ranch and picking up my Scout. I had a 800 at home that I wasn't doing anything with, so I traded it for a little cash and a bunch of parts. I was looking at the forecast here, and sure enough, it's going to start raining now just as soon as we get there.
And we're in a Honda Civic, so if it rains, we might get swamped out there, but you know what? I have trust in this car, so.
Not one of them all-wheel deals.
No, sir, but put the pedal to the floor and get there quicker. Let's beat this rain. Oh, man, it's getting dark. It's starting to rain. What do you think, Hunter?
Well, I've got half a functioning vacuum wiper. It'll be fine. Probably taking a nap. Just cruising along here.
Well, it's now really coming down.
I'm gonna have a fun drive.
Yes, you are.
You can comfort like a 60-year-old Scout.
Right, and I mean, you do have a defroster, but you do have those pesky vacuum-operated windshield wipers, huh?
I might just tie some strings to it, and
Yeah. An SI spin the tires. Let's see when it gets straight here. I'm just gonna stab it. Is it gonna hook or is it gonna spin? Spin.
Still spinning.
Well, looks like it's clearing up. Hopefully the ranch is nice and dry.
Looking up wagon production numbers, don't mind me.
Oh. VP fuels. Get your race fuel. Just kidding. They don't have any here. Ooh, that's a nice dent side.
Yeah, I thought I saw it on Facebook like 3 years ago, but I only ever see not for sale on it, not for sale.
Oh.
So you know the crank for the FJ break-ins?
Yes, that's what FJ broke.
One of the times.
Yes.
Right on display.
We got nice sky right now.
It cleared up pretty decent.
I sure did. Oh, I had a truck.
Your family has money, Papa?
This was pretty far away from home, guys.
Yeah. But, I mean, when you drive as fast as you feel like driving, you made pretty good time.
How much did I cut it down by?
I think you shaved 45 minutes to an hour.
Holy cow!
I've made it. Now, will it start?
No. Just kidding.
More than enough of that.
It's smaller than
Well, you are standing on a stump. It's got ice cube juice. I never unhooked these, so.
Let's hope it didn't drain. Did we bring jumper cables?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I doubt we'll need them.
Wow, effortlessly. How cute.
Not even smoking.
Not at all. Back to the street pressure. All right, everyone. You want to see videos of this thing wheeling? Click right here. We put it up against the F-40. So what do we got here, sir?
This is my nephew's little go-kart.
Okay.
One-wheel drive, little frame. It's got a Harbor Freight Predator 212 on it. Bone stock. It's pretty fun.
Oh yeah, and here's a little track, so let's see it rip. Oh! Oh!
Oh, no more gasolina.
All right, so we're making the drive back. Should all be good to go. And what is the reason for us taking it home?
Well, I had an 800 that I sold for a bunch of parts for this and a little bit of cash. I'm tired of it sitting up here doing nothing, so I want to take it back, clean it up, probably 2.5-inch lift, put my full top on it. I got a roll bar that should be coming for it, factory seat, spare tire carrier. I got a whole bunch of stuff to do with it.
Cool.
I just want to clean it up a bit.
Oh yeah, we're gonna make it look really nice.
And a little better of a wheeler maybe.
Yeah.
Third or fourth one's the charm. No. Fourth one's the charm.
How's the Scout?
A little better. I want to unscrew the speedometer cable.
Okay.
The speedometer made some really weird noises and it freaked me out, and now I just don't want to hear it.
Oh. Okay. Unhooking the speedometer cable. Dude, this thing was blowing black smoke out at certain spots. It was just like
Just once or?
a few times.
Oh.
Yeah. So we're trailing behind him doing about 40 miles an hour. And yeah, it's a steep climb. So that little 152, it's just chugging along. You know, I'm in 5th gear, 2,000 RPM in the Civic. I'm climbing, no problem. But as for Hunter, well, he's losing steam. 29 miles an hour, 2,000 RPM. And this poor Scout's just...
If I had somewhere to be, I'd be mad.
Yeah. 27. Oh, 25, guys.
Coming up now.
Coming up. He's going to get a little grace period here once we start going downhill. And I think we should be good. Hopefully he's not having a mechanical problem, but I would think it'd have enough power to go up. I think we need to go through, he's having carburetor issues, but, you know, as long as it can hold together and make it home, that's all we need it to do. And, yeah, we'll make it better and improve it. So, yeah, that last climb, that little Scout almost stalled out. Have my little hazards on, so I'm just tailing behind him. Yeah, something just is not right. It should not be that slow, in my opinion. How's the drive, sir?
You want like letter grades for stuff or what?
Yeah, A is passing, F is failing.
Right. Well, power is like a D plus. It goes up the hill. It does flat ground. I only had to downshift once or twice, but it does it. Weatherproofing's probably a B.
Okay.
There's a couple little spots on the windshield. I'm gonna jam some electrical tape in so I stop getting splashed.
Oh yeah. How's the one wiper?
Low speeds are fine. High speeds are not fine. Visibility's probably a D minus.
Oh.
Like, I'm not dead, so it's not an F, but it's not good.
Yep.
The heater used to work great. I think while I'm here, I might try to evict the tenants that seem to have made their way in there.
What do you have in here?
It smells like hot mouse piss, so...
Ew. Mice. The mice have gotten into this thing. You've top speed is 63 so far, according to your GPS. It's all still here.
It's all still here. The cardboard's in your car.
It's right here. You got some Toyota genuine cardboard. On the temperature, but I doubt it's gonna get overheated today. Ooh. Oh yeah.
There's no PCV or recirculation deal.
That's
to be
funny.
had.
So that's a third of the radiator.
Well, that'll do.
Yes, sir.
That'll be improvement.
Yes, it will be. I didn't realize this ever, guys. Hunter has 2 gas tanks. Is this an option for scouts or?
There are 2 10-gallon tanks, saddles.
Oh wow! How do you select from each one?
I don't.
Oh.
But some people have a mechanical switch on the floorboard and a little switch on the dash for sending units.
How does it work from the factory?
Like that, like I just described.
Oh.
Mine are just plumbed together.
Oh, okay. Guys, look how weird this... Dude, what the heck? Oh my... You guys just... The level of disrespect from this freaking girl. Oh my god.
I told him to open up.
It's terrible. Anyways, here's the Scout. It's made the drive not bad. Not bad at all.
Lake County, how's it boring?
Right.
He's like, then why'd you go?
Right. It's not boring. Look at the Jeep. We got the Scout here. We are rolling through.
There's more pedal than I was using.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
The pin for it's all wobbly.
Yeah?
So I had to kind of push it over with my foot, and then it went down like another third.
Oh, sort of climbed better. Yeah, some of those grades we got you on video going like 20.
My phone said it was like 28, 30.
No, it got down to like 20. It was pretty slow, but it made the drive. Here it is. Pretty nice. We got some nice shots of it. So I guess revive and drive home.
Yep. I Might try to con you into one more top change while you're here.
All right, you want a new top? Let's put the new top on it. Well, there it is with its full top, Hunter.
Yep.
So, what should we do now?
Well, I need to hit up that guy and get the rest of my parts for it. It's ready for winter adventures as it is, but I want to get it dialed in some more, and Pablo's gonna make me do body work.
We have to do body work, guys. I mean,
I got
look.
a fender for it. What more do you want?
Well, look, the quarter. Look at this. We got holes.
Like
we got
you've
all
never
these.
done- like you've never done body work with a 12 gauge.
Dude, like, what is all this? And then there's a diamond plate floor in there. We just need to. We need to make it a little nicer.
I just show up and nitpick.
No, I'm not nitpicking. You said I want to make it nice. So guys, thanks for watching. And what color should Hunter paint this thing?
White.
Green.
Red.